Yo, chat, what's poppin', man? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams. Hopefully you guys are all good. Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Good morning as well. It's going to be a good one today. I'm excited. Looking forward to it. I think we've got a lot of potential right here. Come say hi if you're here. Pull up to the streams. And yeah, man, let's get this started. Let me just load up here. So, one second. What is going on here? All right, chat, cool. What's good? Good morning, everyone. So look, we are back. Welcome back. What's good, Goldie? High Life, what's good? Discipline, what's good? Jay, it is going to be a good one. Got B and it ran 150 pips. Oh, is it going to be a good one? Yeah, I think so. Cryptomaniac was good. Malinko was good as well. Oh, chat, I need to change this. Wait. Code TRLS for 90% off Apex evaluations now, not 80. What's good, Kaiser? How's it going? Welcome back. Chat, my hair's looking a bit rough right now. Just got other showers, so apologies. But yeah, there we go. Look, all right, let's get straight into it. Let's get into an analysis right now. This looks crazy, to be honest. But yeah, let's do it. Let's start from the top and work our way down as always. So as you can see, we've got a weekly time frame here, which is extremely bullish. After coming up, closing above all the previous weeklies, you now have a bottom wick being made. You actually came down and rebroke the weekly and daily lows this morning, sorry. You are absolutely melting down right now, to be honest. But yeah, look, still bullish here, still making higher highs and higher lows on the daily time frame. So realistically, not that I'm necessarily looking for buys, but I think at some point we should see that top wick be made on the weekly at least as a minimum. And yeah, now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame as well is interesting. We're coming down towards our level here. You do have a level around 33.05 on the 4-hour that you've rejected off a lot in the past. Other than that, we have room actually all the way down to like 27. But yeah, we should reject at one of these areas essentially. Now, the 1 hour here is going to be quite important for us. So we have, again, that same key level here that we're coming down and tapping into. Like this time is at, I would say 33.02. Let's just check this to the left. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. 33.02 is where we've sort of been rejecting off of in the past, to be honest. After that, you do have room as well back up towards 33.19. That might need to be a little bit higher as well, actually. Let me just see. Problem is that, chat, these ranges are extremely large, which makes it very difficult. But yeah, the best area to have this next one is at 33.23. That's like your next rejection area, to be honest. We could potentially look and see what happens in between the two levels here at 33.14, because you do sort of have like, yeah, you do have a level here actually. Yeah, let's leave that. That's a good level. That's a really, really clean level. And then after that, if you do close above 23, I'd say you've got room even further up, right, towards, you know, retesting these highs at least. But yeah, chat, look, that's my analysis for today. I'm actually going to do another level below here instead, because I think we might come down here. If you do close back down below, you have room towards like 32.87, I would say. But as you can see, as I was doing this analysis, we did start to reject quite heavily here, chat. Pretty heavy rejection. So we might start to see exactly what I was seeing here. Off of this 32 level, oh sorry, 33.02 level. You have rejected very heavily in the past, and you're looking to do the same thing again, right? The main thing is, the problem is, we do still have bearish structures, so it's going to be very difficult to just take a buy out of nowhere. You don't want to try and catch that falling knife. We need to wait for some setups to form, so this is exactly what I'm going to do. But yeah, chat, look, that's the analysis right there. Hopefully you guys understand it. If you have any questions on what I'm looking for, then let me know. Otherwise, yeah, let's get into it, man. What's good, Howie? G'day. Man's got a fresh cut. Yeah, I got a haircut yesterday, but it's wet right now, so it's going to be a little bit too short. Once it's dry, it'll look good. Should be all right. 1 hour and the 30-minute flipped here as well, chat. So I do expect us to come and tap into 33.14 right now. Chat, anyone get a trade yesterday? Anyone take any positions yesterday? I had one break-even trade, but that was literally it from my part. I know it was a bank holiday, right? New York session was completely dead, obviously, but London session was actually decent, to be honest. I actually spent New York session going and checking out a new gym. The craziest gym I've seen in Cyprus, to be honest. It was really, really good. I think I'm going to sign up there. It was fucking massive. I think they must have like at least €1 million worth of equipment. Took buys on London session. Hey, W, bro, congrats. Yesterday, right? Not today. Otherwise, 12 pip win yesterday in NY. Hey, only 12 pips is still 12 pips, right? Don't sell yourself short. Got a whack-ass L an hour ago, lost 28 pips. It's the most American sentence I've ever heard. But yeah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. We'll it's a learning lesson. It's a learning point, right? You get one of those. Every time you make a new mistake, you get one of those. That's like a free pass to make a mistake. If you make it again, now you're an idiot. Right? That's how it goes. SG, can you buy the Apex accounts and then hold off on the start date? Or when you buy, they start immediately? Yeah, when you buy, they'll start the monthly subscription thing immediately. I know the sale lasts until tomorrow, like midnight tomorrow. So potentially you could do that, or... Yeah, it's a bit tough. What you can do though is you can like pass them and then not pay the PA straight away. 3 losses last week, 1 loss yesterday. Had more losses in 1.5 weeks than in 4 months. Yeah, bro. I had that, when was it? March? I lost more than I'd ever lost before. It's just something that happens, right? It just happens. Like, losing streaks are a thing for a reason. This 15 close right now looks pretty decent, to be honest. Weak closure with a rejection above as well. Like, you did reject in the last couple of seconds here. It did close above, so technically you did break market structure briefly, but I'm not going to count that, to be honest. Didn't trade yesterday. All good. Where's your twin? Get him on stream. Bro, that video yesterday, my editor actually went crazy on that one. I'll show you guys. Chat, what do you guys think of the new lighting as well? Like, I've kind of just shut it down a little bit so it's more studio vibes. I think it looks quite good, I can't lie. Am I a bit overexposed though? Wait. I don't think so, right? I think it's quite good lighting. Yeah, man, we'll take it. Camera's not level though. There you go. Now I'm not in the middle. I don't know. Fuck it. Doesn't really matter. I mean, it does actually, but I'm so OCD with these things. There you go. That's probably a bit better. You moved again? Nah, not again. Room has a Miami sunset type vibe. Yeah, W. I've never seen a Miami sunset. That's funny as fuck. Perfect GTA 6 stream setup. Bro, I never played GTA 5, to be honest. We're going to correct this move, definitely. We'll see. With DK, what's good, brother? Mr. Singapore, what's the goods? Hey, what's good, brother? I'm just chilling, my friend. What was I going to show you? Oh, yeah, the Instagram video. Chat, tell me this doesn't look sick as fuck. Wait. No, not boost reel. I want to click on watch reel. You see this trade setup right here? Well, this setup just made me over $2,000 in under 30 minutes. And I'm going to explain exactly why it worked. So, you see these levels here? These are support. Chat. Twin SGs, twin lines. You see this trade setup right here? Well, this setup just made me over $2,000 in under 30 minutes. And I'm going to explain exactly why it worked. Yeah, crazy. Crazy stuff. W Edit, I appreciate it. How's KB doing? Do you know more about him? No, I actually haven't spoken to him. I need to message him, actually. Hopefully he's good. Mr. Support and Mr. Resistance. That's actually a fucking good name for them both. Them both? I say that, it's me. But that's quite funny. Or you could do like a good and an evil one, like the angel and the devil, right? And it's Mr. TP and Mr. SL. Like, yeah, Mr. Take Profit, Mr. Stop Loss. KB must be short for kettlebell. It's funny because I knew a KB at uni as well. Mr. Buy and Mr. Sell. Mr. Trent and Mr. Lions. No, wait. That wouldn't be good. Mr. Trent and Mr. Lions. That would just both be... It's both be people taking different drugs. Chat. One thing I will say though, I've got some crazy content coming your guys' way. This week alone, I think we're going to be dropping 2 videos, hopefully. I've got a really cool vlog coming out. And I've also got a really cool trading educational video, which should be sick. And then I've got, yeah, next week as well. It's going to be insane. When I buy a 50k Apex funded account and pass $300 profit, then I need to pay $167. And then I can trade, make profit, and then withdraw. You have to pay $130. There's a discount on the pass fee as well. If you pass it, like, basically, if you pass using my code, you can get the 50k PA fee, so the like processing activation fee, for basically $130. And you can also pass the accounts in 1 day, right? Which basically means you can just full margin like 10 of the accounts, and you could be 250k funded within a day. But yeah, then you have to get to 2.6k profit, and then you can withdraw. When do you need to pay the activation fee? They say they want you to do it within 48 hours, but I think if you email support, you can say that I can't do it right now. I need like a month, and they'll give you a month. Thank you for the explanation. Yeah, anytime, bro. I'm thinking about stacking another shitload of accounts, to be honest, but I'm not sure whether I want to do it yet or not. Basically, the $1 million in funding is really tempting me. Like, it would just be pretty cool to say you have $1 million in funding, right? I don't know. Let me open up my Ninja Trader, actually. I need to do that. Oh, wait, an SG full margin sip? Yeah. What did you create your new website on? Which one? I have quite a few websites, I can't lie. But I didn't do it myself, bro. Like, I have a guy who does stuff like that for me. You're going to anger the Apex gods by abusing their flawed system? We'll see. What's good, Zulu? Did this just flip? Oh, it did, chat. You might run up here. Did my Apex not update? What's going on? I think I took... I'm confused. Ninja Trader, you finally switched? Bro, no, I've been using the Ninja Trader and the Apex Copy Trader for a while. It's fucking good. Yeah, my Apex didn't update. That's weird. I took a trade yesterday, like a break even, but it still hasn't updated the profit amount on the dashboard. Oh well, we move. What's good, Prestige? How's it going, brother? It's been a minute. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Chat, 30-minute closure here in 7 minutes. Let's see. Ninja Trader lets you copy trade all props. I love it. Yeah, it's pretty good to be fair. But I don't know if I can do that with Apex's copy trader, right? Because I bought Apex's like native copy trader for Ninja Trader, and I don't know if I can use... I don't know if I can use other people's... I don't know if I can like copy trade a top step with Apex's copy trader. I doubt it. Maybe you can. Chat, how is this 30-minute going to close here, though? That's an important question for us. Can you explain the rules on Apex? You have 6% drawdown. No, 5% drawdown trailing, 6% profit target. So if you get a 50K, it's like, what is that? 3K profit target, 2.5K drawdown. One phase to pass. Once you get to 53,000, you're full margin. You've passed, and then you pay an activation fee, and then you're funded. If you have to get 8 trading days and get above 5% profit, then you can take a payout as long as you've got consistency rule. Like basically, one trade can't be more than 30% of your profit, which is fine because it shouldn't be anyway, right? If you're trading 8 days, and yeah. That's about it, really. What's good, Tom? I didn't say hi to you, but how you doing, brother? Now we have all the Aussies in the chat, eh? I think we have like 4 Aussies here now. Chat, 5 minutes here to the 30-minute close. I'm tempted if this closes bullish, to be honest. We could have a stab at it. I don't really ever like trying to catch a fall in life, but every time you reject off here, you do feel the range. So you need to get to 2,600 profit in 8... No, you can do longer. It's minimum 8 trading days. So it could be... Like, for me, chat, my Apex is taking such a long time because I fucked up previously. So I'm already at like 20 trading days, and I'm literally like 1.3K in profit, but... Or no, across 10 accounts, right? But I'm taking it fucking slow. Using your coupon code, I'll get 90%. Is that just for the first month? Yeah, 90% off, and then... I think the next month is like 50% off. But yeah, like realistically, you shouldn't last you a month anyway. You can be super aggressive with these because it's 16 bucks. That's like pretty much the whole point of Apex. Just be super, super aggressive. 90% off the challenge? Yeah. Yeah. So instead of being like 160 or whatever it is, it goes to 16 bucks. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, right? Trying to jump on that now? Yeah, trust me. Chat, code TRLS, right? Just do exclamation mark Apex and it will send you a link, right? There you are. But it works always, right? On whatever... Oh, it says 80% off there, but it's 90. It works no matter what the discount is, so whatever the biggest discount is, there's going to be code TRLS is going to get you the biggest one, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. So you never need to worry about finding a different code. Ah, see chat, look, we're pushing back down here. Pushing back down. I can't lie, this is crazy. How far did we run down this morning? Like 400 pips throughout Asia to London. That's insane. That's a long, long way. Honestly, I saw us gap up, like the market opened and we pushed straight up towards here. I presumed we were going to flip the daily first before anything else, but we still didn't do that. Which is really interesting. Malinko, I saw your question in the Discord, right? The fee that you pay after you pass the account is like a one-time fee. Or you could pay it monthly, but the best way to do it is just to pay a one-time fee. It's way cheaper. Thank you, bro. Yeah, anytime. Chat, 1 minute here to the 30-minute closure. What are the payout methods? If you're outside the US, they use something called... What the fuck is it called? It's basically like Rise. So you can choose the payout method. They use like a third party. So I'm pretty sure you can do card, bank transfer. I don't think you can do crypto. Wise? I think that's for if you're in the US. I think they use something else for... Or maybe I'm wrong. I should probably know this, right? But obviously I haven't got a payout yet, so... Oh, they use... Yeah, they don't use Wise anymore. They just said they don't. It's something else. Anyway, it doesn't matter. How much were you up SG on the accounts before you accidentally got activated by leaving a limit order? I was up like 1.7k on each account. So it hit me for like quite a bit. It hit me for nearly... Whatever, I don't know. Anyway, so now I'm like 1.1k, so it's like basically I'm basically 1% down from where I was at the highest point, which is nothing, right? It's like not really a big deal at all. My trailing drawdown's still good, everything's still good, so I'm not really stressing. It's just, it probably set me back like a day or two, but again, who gives a fuck? Through the mail, Monopoly money, yeah. Monopoly money would be good. How much was the activation? 130 bucks. If you use my code, I think. SG just remembered I had a dream last night that we went back into the meme coins again. No way. Cryptomaniac, why are we dreaming about each other? That's weird. Like, I had a dream that you've got a payout from Apex. And now you've had a dream that we're doing meme coins. What you got going on? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Some spiritual connection or some shit, eh? Pause. I'd be putting hotels on railways. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, fair. Hotels at railways is probably a good shout, to be honest. Airports, even better. I genuinely do think though, like if you want to get funded in the quickest time possible, futures props are the way, right? Like, I think they're way easier to pass, like way easier. Chat, give me 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. Alright, we're back. We are back. So this is very interesting. We're sort of starting to create some structure here. You guys are on a different type of timing? Hey, why? Yeah, chat. So 30 close, right? Bearish. Which is not really the best for us. This is what I'm seeing here, chat, to be honest. If I want to get sells right now, if I want to take sells, I really want to see like a pullback. Something like this, right? I'd want to see like, probably, to be honest, a tap back into here and then something like this to come back down, right? Minimum, I'd like to see a tap into here. And if I want to get buys, I probably need to see some structure being made. So I want to see like this happen. Then like you fail to break the low, come back up, grab liquidity, come back up again, and do something like this, right? And then you just drive through. So the fact that it ran this morning made it a little bit more difficult for us. I'm not saying it's impossible to get a position. It's definitely not. Especially depending on this 1 hour as well. If the 1 hour does want to close bullish, then you do sort of have the same thing here. Look, you did actually now make a new high after making this one. Problem is you did make a lower low as well, so it's a bit contradictory right now. Oh, chat, by the way, I forgot to mention, I put it in announcements yesterday in Discord, but basically I'm gonna be basically giving away 5 free consultation calls for trading. So if you haven't already, go check out the Discord announcement. I'll put the link in here as well. But basically, yeah, a free consultation. We'll go through like your trading, why you're failing to trade, what you can basically improve, and yeah. So if you want to apply for that, the link's here. Otherwise, go to the Discord and read it yourself so you can check it out. Nasdaq just ripping 1,700 points this early is insane. NQ. Oh shit, yeah. This is crazy. Nasdaq never normally moves like this in the morning though. But it's because the UK banks are getting back off of holiday, I think. Off of bank holiday yesterday. The risk be on right now, apparently. I think so. Pretty risk on, eh? All right, 23 minutes till a 1 hour close. 5 minutes just closed bullish here. 15-minute printing good. I think the 15-minute looks fucking horrible. No bottom wick though, to be fair, but other than that, it's a bit toss. We shall see, chat. We shall see. The real question is, can we make 100 mil today, chat? 100 mil. It's not much. It's not much to ask for, surely. What's the Russia-Ukraine news? The assassination thing or what? Any Earl Grey tea enjoyers? Insane. No, I don't drink tea. I'm not 800. No, I'm joking. Russia launched the largest bombing to date. Yeah, but didn't it come? Yeah, after. Yeah, exactly. Chat, did anyone see the incident at Liverpool yesterday? The 53 or whatever, but yeah. I don't know how much of it bro. I don't want to say too much on here, but yeah, it's crazy. I was honestly really sad though. The boy Bedge was there. I was talking to Bedge last night and he was like, yeah, I was there at the parade. He was like 200 meters away from where it happened. Fucking insane. Really, really crazy stuff. Wait, I can't really show a video of it on here, can I? Yeah, it was fucking mental. Wait.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh, no.
Bro, this guy just rammed straight through a crowd.
Oh my god, Allah. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Fucking kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I think it seems so sketchy. The whole thing. It seems like it was set up. I can't lie. Anyway, back to trading. Yeah, did everyone get wiped out yesterday on bank holiday or something? Because fucking, where is everyone? Failed society that it is. But you know what's funny is every other road around there was closed off apart from that one road. It was closed off to cars, right? Was anyone hurt? Yeah, like 13 people, bro. At the start of the video, you see a guy get absolutely whacked. But I don't think anyone died. I think it was like, I think luckily no one died. It's insane, bro. I got clipped by a car doing 70 kilometers per hour. I was all good, sort of. Sort of. But that's insane. Clipped by a car doing 70. I guess clipped is different to like, I don't know what you got, how you got clipped, but if you got like basically full on collision with one at 70, I think you're pretty much dead. Fell off a car at 60 kilometers. Fell off a car. Why were you on a car? What's going on here, chat? We got some degenerates. David Blaine. I hit by a car doing 60 and snapped my femur, shattered both hips and left kneecap. Oh, fucking hell. That's not good, Howie. That's not good. Hopefully you're all good now. Stopped a car going 100 kilometers per hour with my brain. Yeah, I literally just, like one time I was crossing the street and a car was coming towards me and I just went like that and it literally stopped. It's crazy. Oh yeah, well, I fell out of a tree and landed on a cinder block on my spine. That's insane. Chat, why the fuck have you guys all been in crazy accidents? That's insane. Stop doing dumb shit. Alright, chat. This is a lovely little range we have here. The volume has completely died almost. Don't ride unregistered dirt bikes at night? True. One time I stopped a bullet with my teeth. Mad. Mad. Good memory, so. Fair enough. Chat, this is very difficult right now because look. Oh my god. Chat, did you guys see this yesterday, by the way? I thought this was so funny. The 5 minute yesterday whilst the market was like shut, basically. Imagine trading this shit, just scalping the highs and the lows. How these candles are like what, 10 pips? Yeah, 16 pips. You could just take 16 pips, 16 pips, 16 pips, 16 pips. Maybe that's the meta. I'm joking, by the way, chat. Definitely don't do that. Different time I was in another tree playing hide and seek with the homies. A branch broke from under me and landed on one of the walls of a truck bed right in the middle of my back horizontally. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's not good, bro. Crazy stuntman here? Yeah, exactly. Spread would have been 20 pips? Yeah, true. If it was a bit higher, I might not be walking anymore. Yo, these stories are scatting me out a little bit. Pip Hunter, what's good? Rentaro, all good, didn't hurt? Fuck off, it didn't hurt. No way. Chat, 15-minute closing here in a minute's time. What are we going to do here? It looks like you want to close engulfing the previous 15. Can we get a market structure shift on that 5 minute? Got some volume here finally towards the last 30 seconds as always. Gold loves to do that, right? I'm Yash, I changed my name. All right, bro. It's good, Yash. Okay, 15 minutes. This 1 hour looks decent if it closes like this, to be honest. Just trying to figure out how to get an entry though, because we're pretty weak right now. You closed respecting the previous 5 level as well. But you did close massively engulfing here on the 15 minute. Fifth ad till stream starts. Stream's been going like an hour and a half. It's not like, it's not that bad. Beef patties and eggs on toast for dinner. Oh, it's been a long time since Tom came in and told his dinner. That sounds good though. Can't lie. Chat, my girl made the nicest food last night. Some like, I don't even know how to describe it. She made like homemade fries and then this like breaded chicken thing with like marinara sauce. Oh, it was fucking good. And then like melted cheese on top. Oh, mate. I could eat that again right now. Do you take trades on a 45-minute candle? 15-minute closure below or above? The 45-minute candle? Or do you mean the 15-minute candle at 45? That's probably what you mean. No, sometimes, it depends. What's good there, Saddam? It depends on like if the rest of the structure's aligning. If the 1 hour is aligned as well. Otherwise, I'll just wait for the 1 hour, right? So the 15-minute pushed up here, top wick first. Starting to reject right now. There is a 45-minute candle. Yeah, I know there is, but who the fuck uses a 45-minute candle? It looks quite clean, actually. Maybe I should use it. But it closes So what? Every two 45-minute candles is an hour and a half. That's such a weird fractal for me. I only like stuff that goes into an hour, like exactly, you know? Like all of these time frames are divisible by 60. No, yeah. Or 60 is divisible by all these time frames. Which makes it cleaner. Rejecting here, chat, a little bit. Oh, chicka wow wow. You mean 15? Yeah, I know. I was pretty sure you meant that, to be honest. But yeah, sometimes it just depends. Like every other time frame has to be aligned, right? So basically, I'll take it on the last 15-minute candle if it's with the market trend, and also if the 1 hour doesn't look like contradictory. So for example, if we were taking sales and the 15-minute close below, but the 1 hour had no top wick, then I wouldn't take it, right? That makes sense? Hey Creed, what's good, man? Welcome back. Long time no see. Hello G, what's good, brother? Good luck for today's session. May you all and all your viewers have an awesome trading session. I appreciate it, man. Okay, chat, this is interesting. Missed you, bro. Was away, was trading, but wasn't on YouTube. All good, man. Don't worry. Has anyone tried Jade Cap's method? What, ICT? Jade Cap trades ICT. So no. Why do I keep yawning, chat? Maybe I need a second coffee. NY will be amazing. London looks bad today. Yeah, London doesn't look the best, I can't lie. Doesn't look the best, to be honest. Today, the reel editing was so good. 2K profit reel. Hey, I appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, I like that reel as well. I like that reel. I don't know if it's going to do as well as the others, but I don't really care. It's pretty good value. London today is good. Good volume and direction. Yeah, we need some pullbacks there. All right, 5-minute close, very bearish here as well. It looks like we want to continue down towards the bottom of the range here. Chat, if we do close below here, I will be able to take some sales down, I think, now. You have retraced and come up towards the top of the range as well. If you can close below here on the 1 hour, you do have clean traffic all the way back down. Every time you close below here, you do rip all the way back down, every single time without fail. All right, so if we can just close below, that's going to be absolutely perfect. I'm looking for buys if it goes to 32.85 levels. I think it will probably tap into 85, but I won't take buys from there, to be honest. You got 9 minutes here, chat. Let's see if this 1 hour can close below. You grabbed a lot of liquidity as well. So what we could do... Oh, volume. So what we can do is something like this, right? You can have shorts from back up here. Stops are going to be relatively large, which is maybe a problem. Unless it's going to fill the range within the next fucking 10 seconds. We know what gold likes to do, right? Maybe we can get like a nice little wick entry from somewhere up here as well. That'd be really nice. Chat, I think it's gonna fucking... I think it's gonna fill the range right now. Can we take on the 5 minute? No. I mean, you can do if you want. I can't. This looks good though. Now that I've put the position marker here, it looks like we're in sells. So why don't we just tell everyone else that we're in sells, and then we just caught a monster trade. And then we can make loads of posts about it and sell a shitload of courses. Easy, right? That's how trading's done, isn't it? I don't think people actually take positions, do they? I'm pretty sure most people just actually don't take the position. W trade Mamba SG. Filling the range, chat. You haven't even had a 5 minute closure. So this 15 minute is 180 pips right now. Make stop loss smaller. If we are faking, let's make it hard. Yeah, true. Actually, wait, that's a good point. First of all, we need a better entry, right? Our entry's got to be like here. Stop loss just above that candle high. Easy. Let's see if this rides out. Chat, we're going for the 5-to-1 risk to reward on this position here. Six minutes till the hourly close as well. The likelihood is it fills the range right now. But you couldn't even get a 5. There was no entry here, chat, because first of all, the previous 5 closed like well within the range. So don't have any FOMO here whatsoever. Like it's not even like there's close to being an entry. You literally just rip down like what? 3 minutes? This 5 minute candle is 130 pips. Have you seen Chernobyl HBO series? No. Is it good? Alex SG? No. 500k profit, never any brokerage documents. That's all of those guys, bro. Bro, but don't assume that brokerage documents are proof of being profitable, right? Because I've been offered broker documents, fake broker documents by brokers of withdrawals and everything, right? They'll fake it all apart from obviously the bank balance or like the bank wire. In fact, they'll probably even fake that. They would make proof of a bank wire that didn't actually happen. Like chat, trust me, I've been offered everything. I've been offered accounts where they take away all my losses. I've been offered fake withdrawals. I've been offered everything. Literally everything. So this industry is so cooked, so you can't really believe anything. The only thing you can believe is live execution. Genuinely, the only thing you can believe is live execution. Because you can't change that, right? Like if I took a trade right now, I can't go back and edit that in any way. I can't fake it in any way because you guys are looking at the exact same market, right? So for me, I actually think that's a bigger proof than anything. But chat, we are closing here in about 4 minutes. Can we just hold here for a sec? New haircut? Yes, noodle holes. What's good, brother? Yeah, I got one yesterday. I think it's pretty crisp. Look at the lineup, man. SG speaking straight facts and the truth. Not just straight facts. The truth too. Can't complain. SG was at the Diddy parties. You heard it here first? Crazy. Never, never, never. It's the best series about Chernobyl. I was in Chernobyl in 2018. It's insane. Bro, I actually want to go. I think it'd be sick. I don't think you can go now though, right? Isn't it in Ukraine? Is it in Ukraine? Where is it? Yeah. It's a war zone right now. Nah, I bet there's like secret bases inside there. There were Russian troops near Chernobyl in 2022. Crazy. About to have a closure in 3 minutes, SG, from the 1 hour lock-in. Don't worry, bro. I'm sat here watching it. I'm always locked in. There's never a time period when I'm not locked in. The 5-minute close, no bottom wick, though. I do believe you should come down and tap into 80 or 91 at least, I would say. Yeah, SG, lock in. Whoa. Hey, Tyler, what's good, brother? Yo, all the OGs are appearing out the woodworks here today. Yeah, I expect 87, 90 to get tapped. How much does a trap house in the Chernobyl ghetto go for these days? A couple of quid. Gold coin. Has anyone seen that video? That is fucking hilarious. This guy's at like a yard sale in Australia and he keeps asking how much it is and the guy just keeps saying gold coin. Fucking hilarious. A couple of gold coins. 1 gold coin. I think that's so funny. The fucking Australians, man. Ah! That accent? I'm pretty sure I do quite a good Australian accent. I can't lie. I'd say I'm up there. It's one of my best accents. All right. All the Aussies are about to be like, what the fuck? No, you don't. British and Australian accent is the same, no? No way. It's like completely different. Yeah, I'm offended. Good. Good. Sound the same? Yeah, because you're German, so you can't tell the difference, right? But like my girl as well can't tell the difference between like Scottish, Scouse, Australian. All of it's like the same to her because like obviously she's also not from the UK. I don't know, it's quite funny. You can't really notice that shit. Anyway, chat, 36 seconds. Let's lock it in here. I do believe if we can get a tap back into this level here, we can look at some sells. If we can come up no bottom wick. New Zealand and Aussie the same. Now you're just trying to get in a fight. Chat, something like this is what I'm going to look for here. Chat, crazy. We're pushing up here. Chat, just took a sell right now as we came up here after closing below. Just took a sell right here. Let me just adjust this shit. Modify order. All right. Jumped in sells right now off of this retap of this level just here. Looking to target the top of the bottom of the range, sorry, not the top. Hopefully we can start to see a nice rejection here as well. Oh shit, wait. My copy trader didn't work. Is that going to be a good thing or a bad thing?
filled.
Right, there you go. I think the copy trader worked now. No, it fucking didn't, bro. What's going on? Chat, I'm confused. Anyway, we're starting to push up here. Signal didn't send? Yeah, that's fine. Big stop loss? Yeah, big stop loss is okay though.
Order filled.
Let me just
Order filled.
oh, there you go. All right, cool. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually just got in from a little bit higher up, but I'll leave it where it was. Connections are on. We don't see profits or loss on the screen. That's okay. It's okay for this point. Chat, unless this was just a monster liquidity grab right now, I don't really see a reason why this should just rip straight back up. If it does, then I guess it does, right? But look, no bottom wick on this hourly here. Every time you close below here, you have filled all the way back down. So let's see what we can do here. I do expect us to make that bottom wick anyway, right? Even if you don't, you should retrace a little bit here. Oh shit, where's my stop loss?
Order submitted.
And then buy 3 limit. I've never had that happen before. Yeah, the connections were off, which is strange. But there you go. It is what it is. We haven't even had a 5-minute closure yet. It's a crazy push up. I haven't seen volume like this in a long while. Guess we might get cooked here, chat. I mean, we'll see. 5-minute closing here, back in the range, which is not ideal. But look at this. It just rips straight up. This is crazy. Big volume coming in here as well right now, chat. I want to see at least this wick get filled, right? There's no reason an hourly should push up with no bottom wick whatsoever. If it does, then fair, but it's a perfect break and retest in my opinion. I think this setup's very valid. No matter what happens here, chat, you can't be upset or anything. This setup's extremely, extremely valid. Where's actually the TP though? No, you're not cooked, G? No, I know, bro. I'm just playing. I don't really, even if I was cooked, I wouldn't really care. Let me just see. I'm trying to see. Yeah, cool. Entry's actually way higher. Just because of the copy trader fucking up, right? But to be honest, I think this looks like we're going to push down here. Yeah. You will hit stop loss. It's reacting from a 4-hour fair value gap. Okay. If I hit stop loss, then I hit stop loss, right? So be it. So be it, man. Yeah, FOMC is only meeting minutes, right? It's normally not like a crazy big deal, as Tom just said. I want to see a strong push down here now. Like we're literally just having bullish closures and bottom wicks first. So, I mean, look, I want to see a strong push down. If we're going to reject, it's going to be now. You might want to come up and take the highs too, which is why I've started to well, not started to, but that's why I've sort of left a little bit of room here, just so that I can actually, if it does want to sweep, we can sort of survive that. Nice little 1 minute bearish close here. Liquidity grab. Well, it could be either direction right now, right? It could be a liquidity grab from the upside or for the downside, but either way, chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. I do massively appreciate it. If you guys are dropping likes, it really does help out. It means I can give you guys more value, because the more likes I get, the more viewers I get, the more motivated I am to make videos. Yeah, man. That's pretty much exactly all it is. What's good? Jar, how's it going, brother? 1 minute structure looks intact. It doesn't look the best. Jar, let me guess, you caught buys down here. This looks to me like it just made a higher low on the 1 minute. Was kind of not hoping, but I really want to see a bearish close on this 5 at least, to be honest. Trade's completely valid though. Like, this is fresh out of my playbook. Fresh out of my playbook. My levels were higher. All right, say less. Chat, look, every time you close into this range, you do fill it all the way down to like minimum down here, right? It just so happens that this time maybe the higher time frame wasn't with us. I actually think the higher time frame is with us, but I don't know, we'll see. Also, luckily, I'm not really risking too much on this position here. 1 hour needs to flip. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole point of the position, right? The whole point of the position is targeting the 1 hour flip. Chat, like, look, all we have here is essentially keeps pushing. If it keeps pushing, it keeps pushing, bro. But it's actually, yeah, I don't know. 5 minute close bullish as well, by the way. What I'm trying to say here is, chat, the position's valid because look, we're pushing down, closure below, you come up and grab liquidity, and now we're seeing this, essentially this play out here of what we thought was this, right? That's what the trade's based off of. If it turns out to not be that, then so be it, right? But essentially, the trade's based off of a closure below, so a breakout, a retest of the level, following the market structure, right? Market structure is extremely bearish, or at least it was. It still is, actually. I don't want to say at least it was, it still is. That's what the trade's based off of, bro. And also, you've come and tapped this level before in the past before ripping down anyway, right? So this could just be a liquidity grab. I'm not saying it definitely is or anything like that, right? But it could be. How he manages the 15 closes in the range? Well, I'll either exit on a bottom wick or we'll just let it play out. It depends what happens here. If it closes above here, we're already nearly at stop loss, right? I'd rather just risk the extra 20 ticks. I didn't record this fucking trade. That's so annoying. I wanted to record that because if I have a loss, I want to post it as well, right? If I have a loss, right? Otherwise, it could be like a big reversal. I don't know. We'll see. You can see I'm risked very appropriately on this trade, right? I'm risking like, I think total I'll be risking around 0.5% on the position. If we hit stops. Kind of a good thing the copy trader didn't work at the start, right? Because then I got a way better entry. So if you're going to reject now, it's going to be around here, right? Otherwise, you're going to just fly through. If you do fly through, though, I mean, I'm not going to lie, buys look pretty decent after you close back up here now. Then you've broken every single bit of structure, right? But with that being said, right, you need like a 30 closure at least. So my entry's actually here. Chat, we'll be back in 2 seconds. Alright, chat, we're pushing down. We are pushing down a little bit here. Interesting. Can we come down and close? If the 15 could close respecting, that'd be crazy, but I don't think it's going to happen. We've literally got 30 seconds. We would have liked the 15 to close below here, right? But this is a nice little 5-minute closure, to be honest. Don't get too crazy excited yet, though. We're not out of the woods just yet. Get me a 10k challenge from Alpha SG. Hey, you didn't even say please, bro. Alright. Did the 5 close no bottom wick? It literally did, right? That is tough. I think that 5 no bottom wick might not be very good for us here. But anyway, we move. We move. Did I miss a trade entry? Rentero, you missed a shitload of drawdown is what you missed. We're still above our entry, right? But I don't know if I'd be taking this if I were you. No bottom wick on that 5-minute is very annoying. That's super tough. Respecting structure will most likely continue down. Yeah, but no bottom wick might... could you please get to... Okay, that's better. But no bottom wick might have shafted us here. We'll see. Oh, you did flip though, which is good. Can we see a rip down here? I want to see like at least a tap into... To be honest, the wick feels pretty clean. Can't lie. Or not the wick feel, like making a bottom wick for the candle here. But again, you do have some structure right here, which we might reject off of as well. So let's see. Maybe we can look to manage off a tap of 302. That'll put you like 20 points in profit. Let's see, chat. Can we see a push down? Struggling here, to be honest. This is where it's going to make a decision, chat. It's either going to go one way or the other right now. Might go the other way. 15-minute flipped. So now the 15-minute closed bullish above and it flipped, right? Which makes it a bit difficult here. We did see profit for a little bit, actually. I saw profit like $60 or something, but nothing I'm going to take here. Looks like the eggplant pattern is crazy. Chat, drop a like on the stream, by the way. Drop a like, drop a like. It's very important. Let's try and get to 50 likes on today's stream. I just messaged Jerome Powell and he just said, if you do get 50 likes, I will let this trade hit TP. So that's a W right there. Ooh, chat, can we flip again, please? I want to see like a closure. If you can close back below here, chat, below like 302, I don't see why you wouldn't fill the range down. So let's see what happens here, chat. No. Push down, man. You know you want to. You know you want to, gold. Like, you literally know you want to. I guess it doesn't know that, right? Hopefully we don't start to range in between these two levels here again. If you do that, that's going to be a bit annoying. Oh, pushing up a bit. So yeah, the 15 did close above, right? Whole point of this trade, chat, is to come and get a bottom wick on the hourly, right? Good, because I left my laptop at work, came home real quick to pick up the Benjamin before going back to work. Not the Benjamin. Fulcrum, come in. That guy's jokes. Or was. Can we see a push down here, chat? Please. Oh, a bit of a rejection. No bueno. We needed to see a closure below here, below the previous low on the 1 minute there to make some structure to come back down. Could you get me an Apex challenge? If you enter the giveaway, I have a giveaway on my previous YouTube video. You can enter that and then maybe you might win one. I can't just give people accounts though. Because if I give one person an account, I have to give 1 million accounts. But yeah, chat, what I wanted to see was actually a lower low, lower low being made on that 1 minute. It just failed to do that and it rejected a little bit, which is not really the best. But let's see, volume has sort of died off a little bit here. Oh, that was a 5 minute close as well. Oh, that would have been so nice. We rejected last minute though. Literally, if you closed down here on the 5, I'm pretty certain we would have just ripped all the way down. But you close respecting now on the 5. Give me 20 grand. Maybe. If you play your cards right. Yeah, not good, chat. I'll pay you back, wink. Crazy. Not the best, chat. This is not the best. Now you're making bullish structure here on the 1 minute. Trade's not really based off the 1 minute though, right? Our stop should be safe above these highs. If we take that out, I think you're going to continue up, right? So I think it's a valid stop. I think old me would have closed that position straight away the moment we came back to break even. But I'm trying something new here, chat. Trying something new, man. I just hope we don't get caught in this fucking range for like 10 years. Just rip straight down now, chat. You guys ever do that? You ever get in a position and just like daydream about it just ripping right to your TP in like one candle? Sometimes I have that. Like this candle here, right? You daydream of that being the candle before the push. Can this 5 minute please flip? Where's the giveaway? On my most recent YouTube video. Chat, by the way, if you guys do want to get an account with Apex, you can get 90% off right now with code TRLS, which is definitely a fucking banger deal, so don't miss out on that one. It says 80% right there, but it's actually 90%. Wait, why is... What? Why is yesterday's daily? Oh, it was a bank holiday, right? I didn't open. 9 more likes and we flip down. Yeah, chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. If you don't do it, I'm gonna come find you. I know who likes and who doesn't. I can see it. Need to see a break of this structure down here now. You have literally same rejection on 1 hour on the left on that level, literally the same. I know, that's what I'm saying, bro. Can we come and break these lows? If you can come and break these lows and close below them, you're good to go. But it looks like it's struggling to do that at the minute. 5 minute needs to flip. If the 5 minute can flip, that'd be textbook. Wow. If the 15 can close bearish below as well, chat, oh, you're good to go. These are the shittest trades because it tests your patience. I'm yawning after 2 minutes in trade. Tom says the longest I've been held a trade was like 11 days and it ended up hitting B. That's insane. Swing trader over here. Mr. Swing. Whoa. Pause. If the 15 closed bearish, I'm interested to enter also. Yeah, if the 15 closes bearish, it's going to be really nice. I'm not sure it's going to happen. We'll see. 5 minute closing here in about 20 seconds. No bottom wick again, chat. Gold's just not respecting these no bottom wicks at the minute. Now I'll claim Mr. Swing. All right, take it. All yours. Chat, we need a candle like this, right? Just 100 pips to the downside. 150 pips downwards right now would be great. We can play 5 GeoGuessr games and we still be in the trade? Yeah, but it's all about patience, right? It's all about patience. I really want to see a strong push down though, obviously. Such a stupid thing to say, but you get the point. Four minutes as well to the 30-minute closure, right? If the 30 closes above, it might be a different story. Don't really want to see a 30 closure above here, to be honest. Would like to see a very strong rejection now, pushing us downwards. If the 30 closes respecting, that would mean the 15 closes bearish as well. That'd be like an all-in-one, wombo combo. Be really nice. Just the question is London going to reverse its entire move right now, or is it going to continue with the move? The good thing is, chat, thank God we didn't take an entry off the rip, right? Re-breaking the highs here, chat, on the 15. The 5 minute flipped as well. We can look to manage on the 30. Respecting their level where you entered strongly. I know it is. It is, it is, it is. Drawdown sucks? Nah, it is what it is, bro. It's part of the game. It's part of trading, my friend. Normally, we don't really have much drawdown. Chat, can this 15 please flip in the last 2 minutes? That'd be absolutely textbook. Need some volume, though, to push us down, I think. Oh, let's see. One minute left till the 30-minute closure here, chat. Let's see. Should we be managing here off this 30 close? I think the answer might be yes. Close below, tap into here, reject. Close below, tap into here, reject. I'm just trying to see here, chat, what we do actually when we reject from down here as well. Because a lot of the times you actually close back above on the 30 and then still rip down. But I think some other times as well, you've rejected, close above on the... Yeah, let's see, look, you close below, reject, close on the 30, rip down still. I think other times we might have ripped up though. We still haven't filled the range to the bottom as well, which is really interesting to me. I think what I'll do, chat, if this 30 comes... How's the 15 going to close? Start to making bearish structure. I guess we can extend our TP to 32.77 at least. Chat is very calm, which I like the most. Yeah, chat, I do like that as well, to be honest. Chat is very, very calm. 30-minute close, bullish above here. I'm definitely not extending my TP. But it is respecting like this area here. This is a strong area on the 30 as well. 33.08 is pretty strong. I'd love to see this 30 just... kind of do need a top wick on this 30, I can't lie. I think, chat, if it comes down bottom wick first all the way, I'll be closing out at the entry. To be honest. Never mind, it made a top wick. Is the structure bearish? Previous 5 closed bearish. 30 just made a small top wick. Not really a... Can't really call that a proper top wick. We have some volume here though. Which is good. That was a strong push down. I can't lie. But it has now flipped here on this 30-minute candle. Current 15 candle high, anticipating flip. I was thinking about it. I don't personally think that was the bottom wick for the 30. I think we come down further. It was a strong push down. Yeah, look at this volume we've got here, chat. Re-breaking the 30 low right now. This is a very strong level here. It looks like it wants to try and break it. Strong 1 minute closure there below. Chat, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trail my stops up to down to the 30 flip just above it. So essentially just eliminating a little bit of risk here off the table. Trailed the stops down there. I'm gonna see, ooh, voice crack. I'm gonna see if this one can run a little bit here. Okay, chat, this is now going to be stops to break even here on this position. Making this a risk-free trade. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see that. Congrats. Question is now, can we fill down? All right, chat, I'm closing full right here.
Order canceled.
Closing full right there for, how much was that? That was $900 right there on that position. Very clean trade. 35 ticks. Absolutely fucking extremely well managed, chat. Like a very, very well managed position there. Congratulations if you took it. Congratulations, more importantly, if you stayed calm in drawdown and you stuck to the plan. We understood structure. We were more aggressive on closing right there because the 30 minute had no top wick. This could just be a liquidity grab for the 30 minute to flip at any point because the 30 minute closed above our level right there, as you can see. So this 30 minute could flip at any given point. Chat, absolutely fucking clean position. Drop a like for that. If you don't like and subscribe for that, chat, I don't even know what to fucking say, right? We are coming down to flip the 1 hour, but look, the most important thing is we managed our capital very, very well there. Extremely well, in fact. So look, chat, that's the stream, man. That's the stream. That's how to manage a trade in drawdown. If you want to learn a lesson in how to manage a trade in drawdown, that's exactly it right there. Literally perfect, especially with the trailed stops. Not afraid to risk a little bit more capital. And then essentially, yeah, trailed stops. We could have maybe squeezed a little bit more profit, but you're never going to get the perfect exit. And yeah, for me, chat, we looked at previous price action mirrors. We looked at everything on the table right there. I cannot think of a better way to play that trade, to be honest. It was valid from the start. And yeah, to the guy who said that there was a 4 hour FVG, FVGs can suck my balls. And yeah, that's it from me, chat. Let's play the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a nice day. But chat, we do this every single day on YouTube, 7:30 a.m. UK time. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good shit. And yeah, that's it. FVGD's nuts. All right, let's play the GeoGuessr. Fuck it. That was mostly for a clip there, chat. By the way, FVGs. I mean, they can suck my nuts, but yeah. Managed to get 14 pips. WJ. Congrats. I'm gonna go hit a fat leg day now in this new gym. Chat, this new gym has like over £1 million worth of equipment. It's all brand new Panata shit. For a gym nerd like me, that's like, I don't even know. I can't explain it. It's like heaven, right? It's like a kid in a candy shop. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, wait. I need to make sure, actually. I need to make sure that I don't do this again. Chat, remind me. I need to close all my orders here. Do I have any orders left? How do I tell if I have any orders left? Chat, is there an easy way to tell other than checking accounts? No, right? I don't have any open here. Chat, that's the worst thing that could have happened to me, right? I don't want to do that again. Flatten all accounts. And look, we're starting to push back up here again, chat. Cool. I should have recorded that entire trade, to be honest, but I didn't. Oh shit, the GeoGuess is full. All right, chat, should we do the no? What do you guys want to do? Do you want to do the no moving one? Do you want to do the no turning one? Or should we just keep it regular? I kind of like the no moving one, I can't lie. Should we do no moving? How are you supposed to lift £1 million of equipment? Whoa. Without moving. All right, okay, without moving, fuck it. It's a hilarious joke, Tom. Oh. Yo, what happened? I got disconnected. No. Chat. Where is this? Right, I'm gonna have to do it just because every time it is here, I'm gonna have to go here. Cheers, brah. What was that? Nigeria? No, Ghana. Ghana. My African geography is not very good. Fucking hell, look at this geezer. His forearms are huge. Give me some writing, please. Chat, I have no clue what this is. I'm thinking like Eastern Europe though. Let's stick it like somewhere here. Oh, Ukraine. Shithole. I'm joking. I'm out. You have a best day? All right, Tom, in a bit, brother. Chat, I might get cooked here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sick, actually. Is this a skiing? Yeah, it is, right? Chat, I miss skiing so much. Fucking love skiing. I'm gonna have to stick it in the, it's either the Alps or Dolomites. I'm gonna stick it, oh, somewhere here. Yeah, Greenland, nowhere near. How did you guys know it was Greenland? How did you guys know it was Greenland, huh? Was there a flag or am I retarded? That was clearly a skiing fucking... That was like... Wow. That's got me pissed off. Because of the snow? Shut up, man. Shut up. Chat, these are cheeky guys, I can't lie. Well, I can't move in this year, I guess. I don't know, I just wanted to do it. I thought it'd be quite fun. These guys look like they're somewhere around here or Hungary or something like that. The tracksuit giveaway, yeah, Bulgaria, see? Balkan as fuck. Chat, I'm actually getting cooked. I'm not even top 5. How's Noodleholt's got 13k points without being able to move? What does that say? It's got to be somewhere similar, right? I'm going here again. Fuck it, swing it in there. It looks pretty Balkan. Ukraine again, bro. All right, chat. Well, there you go. Look. Oh, wait, shit. I didn't add the trade to the stream record. Wait. I need to do that as well. Chat, why don't you remind me? Gold. Sales plus 35. W. And then stream record. 82 wins on stream, chat. Not bad. Not bad. All right, chat. That's the stream. Look at that as well. Good closures too, chat. Good closures as well, man. Look, that's it from me, chat. Listen, have a great rest of your day. If you're trading the rest of the day, then, you know, trade responsibly, all that good shit. And yeah, chat, have a great rest of the day. I'm going to go hit the gym, go hit legs. Peace out. If you want to get yourself an Apex account, code TRLS. Other than that, have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one tomorrow. Bye-bye.